You are about to enter a short module on digital literacy in the age of AI, within a hands-on course on prompt engineering and applied generative tools in multilingual contexts. You will treat AI as part of the contemporary learning environment. Then develop criteria to work with it responsibly and intelligently.
Here you get the map of the journey. You will examine the digital transformation toward knowledge-based economies shaped by AI, the new literacy requirements for evaluating AI-generated content, the educational tensions around learning and integrity, and the ethical horizon of bias and equitable access. You are moving from information abundance to knowledge creation. You will see why more data does not equal more understanding, and why AI now operates as cognitive infrastructure that filters, formats, and sometimes co-produces what you take to be knowledge. Your task is active construction, not passive consumption. Digital culture does not merely give you content, it shapes your identity through database logic and algorithmic sorting. You will examine how visibility is curated, how memory becomes industrialized, and how surveillance-based business models monetize attention. You learn to read platforms as cultural and political environments. Now you approach technique through humanistic critique. You will consider how technological systems can frame reality, embed power relations, and normalize exclusions. You will also use critical pedagogy to train awareness of how design choices structure perception, agency, and what is treated as legitimate knowledge. You focus on algorithmic bias and its educational consequences. You will define how bias can be reproduced through data and modeling choices, then connect this to inequitable outcomes for marginalized learners. Your orientation is practical. Auditing, transparency, and responsible development become part of literacy. Here you distinguish teaching from automation. You will understand learning as mediated, relational, and situated, where judgment and responsibility matter. AI can assist you, yet it does not carry moral accountability. Contextual understanding or the interpersonal care that makes education formative, not merely performative. You adopt a triadic model of AI literacy with a focus on attention. You will analyze how platforms compete for your finite focus and how engagement-maximizing algorithms can undermine deep learning. You practice strategies for managing attention so that your thinking remains deliberate rather than reactive. Ethics becomes concrete. You will connect algorithmic oppression to social inequality, then add the ecological footprint and the hidden material costs of AI infrastructure. You will also cultivate epistemic humility. You learn to treat AI outputs as probabilistic suggestions, demanding context, evidence, and accountability. You close with a discipline of judgment. You will protect slow reading, practice structured skepticism, and strengthen reflective agency in automated environments. The aim is not refusal of AI, but a cultivated capacity to decide when to rely on it, when to question it, and when to think otherwise. Thank you, and I will see you in the next topic.